Most people with chronic dandruff never get the right lab tests, and that's why they're stuck using medicated shampoos forever without addressing the root cause. Here's what's really happening. Dandruff isn't just a scalp problem. It's often a reflection of what's going on in your gut. The same fungal overgrowth causing your flaky scalp, particularly Malassezia species, is directly connected to imbalances in your digestive system. Standard blood work completely misses this connection. Your doctor might run a basic metabolic panel or check your thyroid, but they're not looking at the microbial ecosystem that's driving the inflammation. That's why I recommend the Microbiome Stool Analysis Test Kit. This comprehensive test measures bacterial diversity, identifies pathogenic organisms, evaluates digestive markers like elastase and beta-glucuronidase, and most importantly, detects fungal overgrowth including Candida species. It also measures short-chain fatty acids, which are crucial for immune regulation and skin health. When we see low beneficial bacteria like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium alongside elevated fungi, we can finally address the real problem systemically, not just topically. Once you have your results, I'd love to help. In my next video, I'll tell you what to expect at our clinic.